Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? Our in-depth analysis of Intel begins with a report released on Friday, March 22, 2024. Now, we're delving even deeper to provide you with a comprehensive overview. Remember to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Don't miss out on crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access free price predictions and detailed analysis for 25,000 companies worldwide. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Since March 22, 2024, our system has identified Intel as a sell candidate with a score of -2.35. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance over this period. We will closely monitor this evaluation to observe its development in the upcoming days. The stock is currently in a downward trend, indicating a potential further decline in the short term. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected -12.85% change, with possible returns falling between -17.89% and -7.63%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, a 49.09% change is anticipated, with potential returns ranging from 39.42% to 92.68%. This could lead to a price range of $59.35 to $82.03 by the end of the year. Our latest update on Intel reveals that the stock has been downgraded to a sell candidate. The Intel stock price showed a slight gain of 0.354% on the last trading day, moving from $42.42 to $42.57. It has seen increases for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to observe if this upward trend continues or if there will be a temporary pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 1.69%, ranging from a low of $42.09 to a high of $42.80. Despite rising in 6 out of the last 10 days, the stock is still down by -3.25% for this period. The trading volume decreased by -23 million shares on the last day, with a total of 28 million shares exchanged, totaling approximately $1.18 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices could indicate a divergence and potentially signal forthcoming changes in the market. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $51.28, while the lowest was $26.86. Currently, the price is 16.98% or $8.71 below the 52-week high and 38.56% or $26.72 below the all-time high on January 24, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Analyst ratings. On Friday, February 16, 2024, Wedbush rated Intel as underperform with a hold action. On the same day, Wells Fargo gave Intel a buy rating with a hold action. Back on Monday, January 29, 2024, Goldman Sachs rated Intel as a sell with a hold action. On Friday, January 26, 2024, Oppenheimer rated Intel as perform with a hold action. And on Wednesday, January 24, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald gave Intel a neutral rating with an initialize action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general neutral rating. They rate the PE ratio as neutral and price to book as neutral. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a buy rating. Today, Intel's stock is showing mixed signals. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal, while the long-term average indicates a sell signal. With the long-term average above the short-term average, the overall forecast leans towards a negative outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance at the long-term moving average of $43.38. Conversely, if it falls, support can be expected at the short-term average of $42.48. Breaking through the long-term average would trigger a buy signal, whereas dropping below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently signaling a sell. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on February 28, 2024, resulting in a 1.38% increase so far. The upward trend is expected to continue until a new peak is reached. Despite prices rising, trading volume has decreased, creating a discrepancy between volume and price that warrants close monitoring. Keep a watchful eye on Intel's stock movements as it navigates these mixed signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel currently finds support from accumulated volume at $42.42. This level could present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is likely when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements with moderate trading volume, indicating a medium level of risk. In the last day, Intel's stock price fluctuated by $0.710 or 1.69% between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.49%. Before discussing potential trading levels for Intel, let's review some key fundamental data. First up is the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio, which compares a company's share price to its earnings per share. This high P/E ratio suggests possible overvaluation, a common occurrence in tech companies or those with significant market potential. Looking ahead, Intel's Q1 2024 earnings report is slated for April 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $0.130, and these figures can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now, let's explore potential day trading levels for Intel. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $43.16. If you're considering entering a position, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached. For current stockholders, this could be a level to watch for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $42.42. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with a potential rebound in mind. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On March 12, 2024, Smith Stacy J. conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of common stock. On February 29, 2024, Zinsner David bought 130,496 shares of performance stock units. On February 29, 2024, Zinsner David also purchased 86,997 shares of restricted stock units. Similarly, on February 29, 2024, Shell Christoph acquired 130,496 shares of performance stock units. And on the same date, Shell Christoph bought 86,997 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 64.950. In total, insiders have purchased 2,053,168 shares and sold 452,010 shares in the last 100 trades. We are giving a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel currently shows negative signals and is expected to perform weakly in the near future. Our analysis leads us to hold a negative evaluation of this stock, downgrading it from a hold/accumulate to a sell candidate due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon assessing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, March 25th, we anticipate Intel to open down $0.0833 and commence trading at $42.49. It's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Before making any investment decisions, be sure to consult with a financial advisor. Please refrain from solely relying on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you accept full responsibility for your investment actions. Presenting our current analysis of the stock. Share your opinions in the comments. Do you agree or disagree? Let us know your target price for this stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.